In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate AI music with Google Gemini. By the end, you'll know how to open your Gemini account, find the right tool, write an effective prompt, optionally add visuals, and patiently let Gemini compose your track. First, open your Gemini account. If you already use Gemini, simply sign in and make sure you're on the main dashboard. If it's your first time, follow the on-screen prompts to get set up so you can access Gemini's creative features. A stable internet connection helps, and headphones make it easier to judge the quality of the audio later. Next, click Tools. This is where Gemini groups its creative and productivity features. The layout can vary slightly depending on your device or region, but look for a section labeled Tools and open it so you can see the available options. If you don't see it right away, scroll the page or expand the sidebar until it appears. Now click Create Music. This takes you into the music generation workspace. If you're prompted to enable experimental features, go ahead and accept. These features often include the latest creative tools. Once you're in, you'll see a text field where you can describe the music you want. Enter your prompt describing the kind of music you want. Be clear and specific about mood, instruments, and lyrical theme. For example, you could type, "Create an emotional acoustic love song with guitar and piano, with lyrics about wanting a relationship and dreaming of marrying my soulmate in the future." Details like genre, tempo, and perspective help Gemini understand your vision. If you know you want something soft and intimate, say so. If you prefer a certain structure, like verse, chorus, bridge, include that too. Aim for concise sentences, but cover the essentials so the model has enough context. You can also add an image or a video to guide the vibe. This is optional, but a visual reference can influence the tone and feel of the composition. Choose a relevant, high-quality visual that matches the mood you described. Make sure you have the right to use the media you upload and avoid including any personal or sensitive information in the files. Once you're done entering your prompt, press Enter and wait patiently while Gemini generates your music. Processing times can vary, so keep the tab open and let it work. When it's finished, you'll see your result ready to preview. If the vibe isn't quite right, adjust your prompt and try again, refining instrument choices, mood words, or lyric focus until it matches your vision.